Hello, people. What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to Traders Mansion. So today I'm going to discuss about the only order block that works 100% of the time. Yes, you heard me right. The only order block that works 100% of the time. Okay. So first, for that we need to understand about a little bit about the market structure. Okay. So let me explain you how and which order block is the most prominent and the only order block that is working 100% of the time, beat any market. Okay, so in a bullish market, we are in the uptrend right now, and see, I'll show you with the demonstration of this figure, and then I'll show you on the real charts how it looks like. So if we are going upside and the market retraces and gives you a break of structure, right? So this becomes a break of structure. We are already in a bullish market. This becomes a break of structure, and this little thing is known as inducement. Okay, so this is known as inducement, or you can term it as liquidity, right? So this thing, this over here, the last selling candle before the buying has happened, is the only order block that is supposed to work in the markets. And when the market retraces over here like this, be it in aggression or be it with creating some sort of engineered liquidity, or be it in aggression, this is supposed to work for the first time. If it taps, it is going to break this structure above, and I'm not kidding, it is happening all the time, literally all the time. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's shift to the let me remove all of this. Let's shift to the charts and let's see where and how it is working, right? So see, I can show you, probably picking out a sample of it, of this order block working, and you'll be like, okay, yeah, let me back test it. But no, what I'll do is I'll go to a random date, right? I'll go to a random whichever date, like we can probably start from where we are right now, right? And people say that usually you should not trade the news, right? But what I generally say to people is that news only bring volatility in the market. It doesn't probably shift the structures, and if it is shifting the structures, it anyway it will probably shift the structure on any other given day, right? So what is happening right now? See, in odd USD, we are coming down in a bearish market. Now after this break of structure, what we see here is this is a break of structure. Now the prices tends to consolidate. So this is not a consolidation, this is basically a structure shifting, and the price is trying to move higher. So see right over here, I'll draw it with a pen. Market comes down, gives us a pullback, breaks this, and takes out inducement and gives again a break of structure, right? So this is a break of structure. Now this little thing is the supply from where the prices should drop if we are continue to go down. But what the prices choose to do instead is take this out. Now what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to wait, and we are supposed to look for an order block that I just explained a few minutes back, right? So what we are doing here is we are waiting for the prices to do something like this. Prices gone up, taken out this is a bullish structure, and prices have taken out this. So this is the little inducement, okay, before the break of structure. So prices takes out this, gives us a consolidation, and then breaks above. So this little thing, people say this order block is already tapped. Okay, I agree to it that it is already tapped, but if this is tapped, then there is something in this 15-minute order block that will not be tapped, that is not tapped right now with this current price action. So what the prices will do is come to the extreme of it, and then it will go up from here. And if it doesn't, I'm not saying that this is something which is a miracle that is happening in the market, but we have shifted bullish right now. We are going to take a trade on a bullish side, we are not going counter trend. So what we'll do is we'll just wait for the market to take out some liquidity, which is right over here, and the market has taken out liquidity inducement right over here, and it didn't tap into our order block. So I was waiting for this pretty moment to come, and then let's target this high. Simple as that. So what is this? 1:4, right? So see, this is happening all the time, all the time. Now let's see about what about a bearish market. This is a break of structure, right? This is a break of structure. Rest everything is internal structure. I'm not bothered about the internal structure. So prices are moving up, moving down, not breaking the supplies, not breaking the supplies again, and then break of structure. So right now what is happening, see, this break of structure is here, and this is the inducement the market has taken and again given us a break of structure. So this is the order block which is supposed to work, right? Let me just zoom out a little. So this is the last buying candle before the drop happened. So what the market is supposed to do, if it is not coming up right now, it will come sometime, right? So the market comes up, and boom, it drops. It gives us a beautiful entry, right? And breaks the structure. Now again, this is the highest most point where we have our supply, little goody supply, right? Let me zoom in. This is the order block that is working 100% of the time. None of the other order blocks works in this market, okay? 100% of the time, I'm saying, until the structure is shifting. If the structure shifts, obviously I'll take a hit. I'm not saying that this is the holy grail that I'm giving you, but yes, this works. If you're with the trend, it is going to work every time, every little time. This is a break of structure. This is our inducement here, right here. Market takes out the inducement. So and why I consider this as an inducement, this is also an inducement. If it gives me a drop, then I'll probably start taking trades from here, but it is not giving me a structure shift. It is going up and it comes to the extreme without shifting structure. So what I'll do, I'll place the entry over here and I'll target this low, which is a great 1:9 trade. And mind you, I have already taken these trades and I've posted it on my Telegram, so I'll give you a screenshot of that as well. Let's move back. What is happening? So right over here, let's see, when we shifted, when we are shifting bullish, what is happening? Okay, let me go further back so that I don't have any random thing to tell you. See, here market gives us a pullback, break of structure. This is a pullback, break of structure. Again, market takes inducement and gives us a break, right? So this is supposed to work. This supply is taken out. Now what I'm expecting for the price to do, give me a break of structure, takes out some inducement and then go up. So this is the order block that is supposed to work, okay? So let me just clear all the drawings over here and let me show you, is this working? The market had not retraced to that level, but wait, it has retraced to this point over here. Oh yes, it worked. Is it a miracle? No, it's not. It's just following the order flow, following the structure, and the only order block that works all the time. So do I have to bear with this if I have to target this? Yes, obviously I have to bear with this, because if I'm targeting this, then there's no point to exit in between, or otherwise if my SL is not taken out, if my stop loss is not taken out by the markets, right? So this is again one of the beautiful trades that obviously I have also taken in a bearish market. This is a reversal trade, but what happens, see, we go to the extreme. You can take directly entries from here, but if you're not taking directly entries from there, what you can do is you can wait for the shift in the order flow, and then you can take entries from the exact areas which I have already informed you, the order block which is supposed to sweep liquidity, gives us a break of structure, have some inducement, and then from here let's drop. All right, let's go further back and see if this is working or not. Okay, so we have a pullback, we have a break of structure, we have this inducement taken out, we have a break of structure, we have little inducement over here as well. So this is supposed to work again for the bullish side, but it breaks below, right? So now if this have broken below, now we have turned bearish. So what we are expecting, which order block to take the entries from. So this is a break of structure, this is probably an inducement, and again we have taken out some inducement here. So this is the order block, the sell before the buying before the selling. I'll consider this wick as well, because this is a buying momentum before the drop has happened. So the market reaches over here. Let me remove the drawings again and show you in details with a bit more clarity. So this is happening right now. What is happening right now? We have taken inducement, we have given a break, we have this inducement over here, we shift again and we drop below. We have this pullback, we drop below. We have taken this inducement, we have gotten down, and then from here, I told you, this order block, order flow is supposed to work. Yes, you can take this entry, or you can drop down to a lower time frame and wait for confirmations. Till then the price have already moved and you'll not be able to take the entries. So what you can target, you were already bullish, right? You cannot target this low right now because there's no way this low is supposed to be targeted. You can target at least the 50% of this, because this is a 4-hour leg, right? It's a 4-hour leg that you can target the 50% of it. If not anything else, then obviously you can target the 50% of it, because this is the way the prices move. If we have turned bearish in 15 minutes, it is going to go to the discounted area of the 4 hours, right? So has it worked? Well, very well. Yeah, it has worked. So let me just show you this. I have already shown you this one, right? Let's figure out over here. Is it happening? So the only thing that is required over here is patience, because it is not happening in a day, it is not happening in 2 days, it is not happening in a couple of days. It is taking some time, right? It is taking some time. I have taken this entry on 19th of June, and then I got an entry on 6th of July. So it is taking some time, like 10 days maybe, to figure out. If I can get in quick succession, the trades are pretty much, I'm fine with it. But yes, I have to be patient for this order block to form, because I don't want to give any losses. I'm sick and tired of giving losses, right? So let's see if this thing is, just give me a second. Let's go back. We were here. Okay, I lost the track of it. Yeah, we were here. Let's see if the market has done exactly what we are anticipating. Inducement taken, break of structure, inducement taken, break of structure, we have inducement over here. So this order block should work, but it failed, right? So we are turning bullish now. We go up, we come back, we sweep this, and we break. So ideally this order block should be working. Let's see if it has worked or not. So let's mark this order block, and let's remove all of this. This is nothing, and we take entry from here. What do we target? Target the highs. Did we achieve our target? No. Maybe we got to break even, right? This trade has gone break even. But let's see what happened again. Whenever you're trying to do a good thing, there is resistance, right? There is resistance. So let's not give attention to the resistance. Let's work towards this thing. Okay, let me just take this out. Let me just take this out. Let me just take everything here out. and let's explain. So this is a drop, a pullback, a drop, a pullback, a drop, pullback, a drop, an inducement taken. We have inducement over here. So this should work, but it failed, right? So we are turning bullish. So what I'm expecting, prices to move up. What is happening right now? So let's remove this. Prices went up, taken out this, we have turned bullish now, and the prices have taken out this inducement and given us a break of structure. We have inducement over here as well, right? We have inducement over here, which has taken out inducement and given us a break of structure. I am buying every day. I am buying every day, keeping the stop loss below it, targeting what? Targeting this high, or maybe higher. You can target anything you want, but then I always target the recent swing highs, swing lows. If I'm not at the top or at the bottom, right now we are at the bottom, yes, obviously, but I'm not trying to catch the bottoms. You can take out few partials over here and let the rest run and put your stops to break even. Who knows, you can get whatever you want. But then personally, I was never able to hold such trades for so long, so this is where I take complete profits, right? Okay, so can we take entries again? Right, this is the inducement taken, this is inducement taken again, right? Because this is not a break of structure, this is just liquidity grab. This is a break of structure, this becomes inducement. Now this order block should work, but the price has not come over here, right? So see, this is what I am supposed to give you, and it works every time. I'm not kidding, every single time. You go back, you go back and you backtest for yourself. On the tops, on the bottoms, every time it's working. Every time. So few things you need to understand before checking this out is that what exactly is a valid pullback, and what exactly is market structure, right? So this is the only thing that can probably help you with this kind of trading, right? So any candle, see, I'll mark the highs, I'll mark the lows. Any candle which has taken out previous candle's low is a valid pullback. Yeah, you heard me right. It's a valid pullback. Any candle that has taken out previous candle's highs is a valid pullback in a bearish market. Any candle that has taken out previous candle's low in a bullish market is a valid pullback, right? So see, price moves up, comes down, takes out this low, this is a valid pullback, breaks up, comes down below, breaks up, comes down below, valid pullback, comes down below, valid pullback, structure shift, inducement taken, valid pullbacks. So these are all valid pullbacks, right? This is a valid pullback, this is a valid pullback, all valid. Everything here is valid. If the previous but you do not have to see these internal pullbacks, you just have to wait and zoom a little bit out and see if the market has taken out the inducement and it has given a break of structure. What you have to see is that's a pullback, that's a break of structure, that's an inducement taken, and we have gotten a break of structure, right? This is inducement taken, break of structure. So this should not be taken out. Now if this is taken out, then I'm going for a bullish trade. This is NFP, prices drops down, we have some news coming up, right? So people will be looking for buys, or maybe looking for sells, or maybe not trading at all. But I was waiting for this area to be tapped since Thursday. It didn't tap over here. I was waiting for it, it didn't tap. Then it tapped, and it has given me a valid entry, right? So you can do this. You can go and backtest. Again, summary. To summarize, we're in a bearish trend. Market takes out inducement, gives a break of structure. We have inducement and doesn't respect this high, takes it out. What you have to wait for is something like this. Either you can enter directly, that is also valid because we are shifted bullish, or you can wait for this to happen. This is supposed to work 100% of the time until the structure is shifting from bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish, right? Go and backtest on AUD USD, on GBP JPY, on Euro USD, on gold. Time frames might differ for this thing to work because there is a lot of manipulation in gold. There is a lot of manipulation with GJ. There is a lot of manipulation happening with EU right now. AU is still holding strong, and the manipulation is not has not come up till 15 minutes time frame, right? If we go and see on gold 15 minutes, if I have to switch 4 hours, does it work? It does work. Market has taken out. See, I'll show you from the very beginning, from the top, where we shifted bearish, where we could have taken a bearish entry on 4 hours. Market goes up, gives us a pullback. This is internal break of structure, break of structure. This is inducement. Market takes out inducement, gives us a close above this, right? Now this is not supposed to be taken out, but guess what? It is taken out. I'm bearish on 4 hours, right? What the market is doing right now, coming up, going down, coming up, going down, to where we could have taken our possible entries. See, right now, this is inducement. Market, this is a break of structure. Right over here, this is a change of character. I'm really sorry. This is a change of character over here on 4 hour of time frame. So where is the first pullback? Here is the first pullback. This is market has taken this out, and we have shifted after this. We have shifted bearish. Market has taken out inducement, given us a break of structure. So this is a valid order block, right? For us to trade, which will work 100% of the time. You can drop down to lower time frame. You can probably shift to 4 hours for a swing trade, whatnot. But yeah, manipulation is happening on 15 minutes. I've seen on 1 minute. Obviously, I'm not trading right now, so this is happening, right? After break of structure, what we see an inducement taken out, we see a break of structure. So what I'm expecting, prices to come over here, and wait, we have something right over here. We have a break of structure, we have a pullback, we have a break of structure, we have this. Have we taken out this inducement? What's the high? What's the high? High is 1879.685, and here the high is 1879.890. And yes, we have definitely taken out inducement over here. We have definitely taken out inducement over here. So this is a very good area from where you can probably hold on to your sells. We have not closed anywhere. If this is taken out, guess what? Price comes over here. You can target the highs, but I'm expecting this to be taken out, this liquidity to be taken out. So what I'll be looking for? I'll be looking for a short from here. Definitely I'll be looking. If I take one trade, I'm free for next 10 trades, right? So why not to take this? Risk rewards is great. Just it requires is patience, right? It works with EU, it works with GJ, it works with any pair, any index, anything, right? So this is the only order block in SMC that is working beautifully. I hope you got my point. Let's meet you sometime later. Hope you have a happy life. All right, see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.